The famous Japanese car manufacturer Toyota has recently launched the reversed famous MPV Ertiga in the South African market in the name of Rumion. According to the agreement between Toyota and Suzuki, they will be working together to bring more new cars in the Indian market to extend their sales. They will not sell this reversed car in India only, they have a plan to export them in the international markets also. Maruti can get to sell Corolla via Nexa, whereas Toyota is able to sell Baleno, Ertiga, Brezza and Ciaz at their dealership. Toyota has a plan to introduce the new Rumion in the Indian market in the first half of 2022 at the expected price between Rs 8.77 to 40 lakhs ex-showroom. Once launched, it will sit below Toyota Innova Crysta MPV in India. The Rumion is available in 4 different colors, which are different from Suzuki Ertiga: azure blue, seal grey metallic, blazing red, and shadow black pearl. In terms of variants, while Suzuki Ertiga is available in 4 trims like LXI, VXI, ZXI and ZXI Plus, the Rumion offers only 3 variants: S, SX and TX. Talking about the power, the new Toyota Rumion gets the same BS6 compliant 1.5-liter K15B mild hybrid petrol engine that can churn out 105 PS of power and 138 Nm of peak torque. The engine is mated to an optional 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic gearbox. Talking about the exterior design, the new MPV receives minor exterior changes in compared to the outgoing Suzuki Ertiga. The new Toyota Rumion gets Toyota badging, new chrome-slatted front grille and updated front bumper. The side profile receives the same features as Suzuki Ertiga: power over beams, indicated turn indicators, body color door handles, silver multi-spoke diamond-cut alloy wheels with the Toyota badging. The rear profile also not receives major changes except the Toyota badging at the center of the board. It offers the same wrap-around tail lights, chrome strip which joins the 2 tail lights, rear washer, defogger and wiper, rear spoiler with spoiler-mounted emergency braking light and rear reflectors. Talking about the interior, the new MPV continues the same cabin as the Suzuki Ertiga except the black interior. It offers the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new dashboard setup with wooden finish, gas-mounted AC vents, leather-wrapped power adjustable 3-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel with steering-mounted controls, semi-digital cluster with TFT multi-information display, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, push-button start and stop, auto climate control, and well cushioning seats for comfortable ride with 60-40 splits rear seats and bigger boot space. The car offers a number of standard safety features including ABS with EBD, electric stability control, dual front airbags, seat belt and door hazard warning system, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, lane keeping assist system, child safety lock, speed sensing auto door lock, central locking and rear parking camera with sensors. Thank you.